Hi friends! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a cool paper cut transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Start by dragging your main video onto the timeline, and then place the second video. This second video will be revealed through the transition effect. Next, download a paper texture effect, which is provided in the description, and drag it onto your sequence. Place the paper effect on the second video layer, ensuring that it ends just before the first video finishes, creating a seamless transition. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for the Ultra Key effect. Once you find it, drag the Ultra Key effect onto the paper transition video. In the Effect Controls panel, select the Color Picker tool and click on the green color from the paper texture. This will remove the green background, isolating the paper texture and making it act as a mask for the transition. After applying the Ultra Key effect, select the Razor tool to make a cut at the point where you want the transition to happen. With the cut made, select both clips, right-click, and nest them together. Nesting the clips will allow you to apply effects to the combined layer, creating a smoother and more controlled transition. Now, place the newly nested clip above the second video. Then drag another Ultra Key effect onto this nested clip. In the Effect Controls panel, select the Color Picker tool once more, but this time, choose the blue color from the paper effect. This will allow the second video to show through the paper cut, completing the transition. Once all steps are completed, you'll have a smooth and creative paper cut transition between your two videos. If you want to download project files or any of the assets used to creating this video, you can find the link in the description below. Scan this QR code to connect with Novela Film Academy. Learn video editing, graphic design, or get professional editing services, and that's it. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe to Novela Film Academy for more such videos.